guys, I'm Daniel from Carbonwurks, and today I'm showing you around the M Performance style side skirt set that we actually offer for the M3 and M4. This is obviously an M4, but we offer the exact same part for an M3. This is a slightly different fitting. So this part, much like all the other bits, as you've probably heard me say already, it's 2x2 Twill and it's Pre-Preg Autoclave carbon, so it is the best quality you can possibly get. And the parts are then finished in a nice high gloss lacquer. So quite easy to fit actually. You've got a load of clips on the side and a load of clips underneath. And apart from just removing those, it is pretty simple. There's no drilling or anything like that required. So it's actually quite a straightforward piece. So these actually echo the style of the M Performance parts. So you've got the nice raised sort of lip here, if you like, or the side profile. And that works really nicely with all the other bits of the car. It adds quite a bit of stance as well and width to the car, and something that people don't necessarily appreciate too much. So as a whole, a really nice part. It just finishes it off much like the other pieces. And yeah, very high quality, and more than anything, it looks fantastic and echoes exactly what the M Performance parts do from BMW. So hope you enjoyed the video.